me Anirban and back here with another brand new video on my channel. In this video I will be doing the unboxing of this OnePlus Buds Z. And okay, so just sit back, relax, grab a cup of coffee, and without wasting any more time, let's get started. Okay, so after I use this OnePlus Buds Z for a couple of weeks, I will soon be doing a full detailed review video on this OnePlus Buds Z. And please make sure that you are subscribed to my channel so that whenever I post that video, you will be notified. Okay, so here is the box packing. As you can see that I ordered this earbud from Amazon, and so you can even order it from Flipkart as well as from the OnePlus online store. All of them provides the same product, and here as you can see that the packing looks very good, and here is the bill. It is of no use for now. Let's keep it aside for now and let's see. Okay, so this is the actual OnePlus Buds Z box, the signature red and white color. As most of us know that OnePlus signature white color is red and white. The packing looks quite premium, and here at the back side you will get some of the details, that is the product name, everything. Here some of the features that this earbud provides you. And let's open it up. Here at the back side you will get this kind of peel. You have to peel it like this, don't have to tear anywhere, just peel it like this and it will open. Let's keep it aside now and let's open the box. Okay, so let's remove the seal. Okay, so the box overall looks very much premium. It looks very much premium, and let's open it. Okay, so let's open it. Quite tight fit. Okay, so here inside you will find this capsule type design, that is the OnePlus Buds Z. It comes in this kind of capsule type design. Let's keep it aside for some time and let's see what else we get inside the box. Okay, so now let's open it. Okay, so here is the box. Okay, so inside it, okay, so here you will get a data cable. Actually it's a charging cable, not a data cable, and nothing inside. Okay, so let's keep it aside. And these are some of the okay, so this is the Red Label card. As those of you who don't know, Red Label is a club that is OnePlus. Those of you who use OnePlus might be knowing that if you purchase any of the items. Okay, so this is the charging cable. It is same as if you already have a OnePlus device, then you can even charge it with that charger as well. It's of no use. And this is the instruction guidebook. If you want to read it, you can. Okay, so here all the details are given. That okay, so I will be making a separate video on it, so please subscribe to my channel so that you get notified when I make that review video. Okay, so this is the warranty and this is the safety and warranty booklet. Okay, so this is perfectly fine, and here at the back side is written never settle. Okay, so let's keep it aside for now. And no, there is nothing inside it, I think. No, it's just it's nothing inside. Okay, so with that red club you will be able to get some discount on some of the accessories that you buy, that you will buy in future. You will get some discount from that card. Okay, so here is the OnePlus Buds Z. Okay, so it looks quite premium, very much premium, and it is having a glossy finish. Okay, so let's open it. Okay, so here you can see that left and right everything is written, indicator is given. It is actually the indicator that shows you the that whether is it connected or not at the okay, so at the top some OnePlus branding is done, and let's open it. Okay, so here it's a magnetic design, that is when you lift the top cap it will automatically close. It is a magnetic cap. Okay, so here at the back side you will get the charging port. You can even charge it with your existing OnePlus charger as well. Okay, so when you charge it you will see this kind of red colored indicator. Okay, so this means that the case is charging the earbuds till it turns green, it means fully charged. Now let's open it, we will charge it later on. Okay, so the design looks quite premium, and the inside, let's take it out. So it's a very much tight fit. It's not that if you open it it will fall off, because it's a magnetic type design. Okay, so let's open it, let's keep it aside and let's see how these earbuds are very much lightweight and very much beautiful design. Here the design is very much premium, and you will get the earbuds left and right everything is written, so that it doesn't make any difficulty to understand which one is the left one and which one is the right one. At the back side, at the bottom you will also get a microphone that it will receive the calls. You can even use that. Okay, so let's keep it inside. Okay, so actually it's a magnetic design, so whenever you keep it, it will automatically go inside. You don't have to apply any pressure, as it's a very much premium product from OnePlus, and also very much portable as well. Here they will also provide you with some extra ear tips, so that you can use one of them, that is you can use any one of them according to your choice, as it will fit to your ears. If you guys liked and enjoyed this video and found this video helpful, please make sure to hit that subscribe button and share this video with all those people whom you know who are thinking of buying this kind of OnePlus earbuds for themselves. And thanks for watching, and see you guys in the next one.